Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I got a 2018 Ford Fusion and I'm going to show you how to change your key fob battery. So right here you have your release button to release your physical key, and then right here this is the back cover that you're going to remove. So you can either use a small knife to remove this, pry this open, or you can even use the key right here to pry this open. And then once it's open, just remove the back cover. Now you can use either a really tiny screwdriver or like a fork here to release the battery. And this takes a CR2450 battery. And to put everything back in with the plus sign up, just put the battery in like so, snap it in, put the cover back on, and put your key back in, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other helpful videos.